Creating delivery reports with Easy Texting. From the Easy Texting homepage, first click on Outbox. Navigate to the Sent tab, and you will see a comprehensive list of sent campaigns. Find your campaign you wish to see more details on, and then click View Report. In the first section, you can see a summary of your campaign, including the recipients, credits used, and a preview of the message. In the Delivery Statistics section, you can see the percentage of messages that were delivered, bounced because the contact's phone number was invalid or the device was not eligible to receive text messages, are still queued for delivery, or were not sent because your account doesn't have enough credits or because the contact had previously opted out of future communications. Clicking on any of the info boxes will give you an even more detailed report. In the Engagement Statistics section, you can see how users interacted with your message by replying, opting out, or taking no action. You can click on the Detailed Report link to access a list of contacts that replied or opted out. If you included a trackable link in your message, the Link Statistics section will display the number of clicks, click-through rate, and a link to view a list of contacts that clicked the link. Congrats! You've now explored how to view delivery reports in Easy Texting.